so what are you guys excited about today? What are you guys gonna do?
I'm excited that I'm going buggy boarding and stuff. And now we're...
Did you get a new boogie board? Let us see it. Ooh, nice. It goes with...
I'm excited that Mommy and Daddy are gonna race in the pool and we're gonna video that.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Liberty, what are you excited about?
I have a mermaid belly.
You have a mermaid belly? You are so silly.
I think she means a mermaid
Tail? Oh, floaty, floaty, mermaid floaty. Yes, absolutely. You're absolutely right.
And I like to play with the pool, and I like to play with the sand, and it's a good beach.
It's a good beach. Okay, well, you guys go have some fun. We'll see you later, Kingdom Kidz.
Board is not used for doing this.
Uh-oh.
No, I messed up.
All right, try it again.
The wind is blowing it.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Beach vacation, day kind of 2, kind of 1, kind of 2. Daddy, can you say hi to Kingdom Kidz?
What's up, Kingdom Kidz?
Cannon is out there trying to catch a wave on his boogie board. Brave is diligently trying to make a sandcastle. Liberty, the same. Liberty, can you say hello?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Making a sandcastle.
Okay, so you caught this very rare seaweed in your terms.
And he pretends like it.
He pretend licked it, so you're actually gonna lick it? Cannon may lick it if you guys like and subscribe.
If you get 57 subscribers.
57, why 57? What's that about?
Dad's football number.
Oh,
If you
okay,
guys
okay.
give us 57 subscribers, next video, I'll lick it.
I beg your pardon?
Really?
Legal.
But like, just lick it? Like, you're not gonna do anything else? You're just gonna lick it?
Lick it.
You're gonna lick it. Brave, what are you gonna do? Like, what are you doing?
What?
You're gonna eat it?
I'm getting this back.
Daddy, you don't believe this.
Cannon to lick it.
But Brave, eat it! Brave, you wouldn't even eat our sandwich with mustard on it. And you're saying you're gonna eat the seaweed?
Can I throw this back?
No, because she's gonna eat it, remember? And you have to lick it. All right, tune in. Only after we get 57 likes and subscribes will Cannon lick it and then Brave eat it. What?
There's a jellyfish.
There is. Whoa, go get it. He just left his boogie board in the water. What just happened? What just happened?
Jellyfish! Yeah, so they found the jellyfish and then I scooped it up in a bucket.
Wait. Oh.
I scooped it up in a bucket and caught this jellyfish. Guys, should we show it to the people?
Wow.
Mommy, I want to show it to the people.
Okay, well, hold on. I don't know if this is safe, you guys.
It's safe.
I don't want you guys to get stung or something.
We're not. Okay, we're gonna go show it to the people. Noodles and chicken nuggets. Yeah. And I love French fries. Noodles. Okay. I will put that ready for you. Here are the noodles, and your chicken nuggets and French fries are coming. French fries, and those are your chicken nuggets, and here is your ice cream. Okay. Welcome. Enjoy. I eat all my French fries. Oh, all the French fries. Don't forget to finish your chicken nuggets. Here to check out. Oh, what are you eating? My money.
Whoa, what we about to do?
Okay. All right. So, as Brave may have stated earlier,
We're about to do
we are about to do a swim challenge. It is me, Kai So Well, against Daddy,
Focus on.
aka Mayo So Well.
All right.
And the thing is I'm gonna beat him.
Okay.
And
So,
he
are you watching on that cannon? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. She talking all this noise. We got a bet on the table. Come on over here. Cannon, focus, son.
Yes, sir.
We going over here to the wall. Go back, Brave, and we coming. So here we go. Cannon, keep it there. I am going to toast my.
Mine's from only 5
I want to hear all that. Cannon, can you still see us?
Yeah, little. You guys look so tiny.
All right, Cannon, can you see us?
You guys look tiny, but yeah, I can see you, little.
All right, Brave, give us the countdown. Brave, 5.
Oh, Mom! Mom, you got smoked.
Cannon,
You got smoked.
you give me the wager. Cannon, what time is this for the mommy?
I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Kingdom Kidz, Kingdom Parents. I had to put her down, y'all. Peace.
Okay, you guys answered. We have over 57 likes and subscribes. Cannon, that means you have to keep your promise, and you promised.
If you guys give us 57 subscribers, next video, I'll lick it.
To lick the disgusting seaweed that only God knows how many kids have maybe wee-weed on that. You don't know where it's been, how many fish. But you have to lick it because you promised. Cannon, get to licking, brother.
I'm
Get
not
to
gonna look
licking.
at it because when you look at it close, it looks disgusting.
All right.
And
Lick it, lick
Skull
it,
with us,
lick
skull.
it,
Berus,
lick
berus,
it,
berus,
lick
berus,
it,
berus,
lick
berus.
it, lick it, lick it, lick it, lick it, lick it. Get it! Get it! Oh, water! Sorry, Liberty. We Brave. What are you about to do?
Eat it.
No, Brave, stop.
Okay, that's enough. I don't want you to get sick. Baby girl, I did not think you would really do it. You guys, I cannot believe. Brave is so picky. Can you believe that she did that?
Really good.
Brave, it's enough. I don't want you to get sick, baby girl.
On our next video, tomorrow, well,
Maybe we should make some seaweed chips next time.
thank you for watching, and I hope